are here in Rishikesh, geiler Arsch. And yeah, we are rolling around here and we want to cross the Ganga river. Maybe it's allowed for biking.
Because of rainy season, you can see the water level. It's really high.
Water is super high. Nice ass. The river comes from the mountains and in this direction is Varanasi.
Yep.
Look at it. Kleine Glocken. Take care, man. If they are German, they will laugh. So we arrived in Rishikesh now. We are sitting in the chill out Ganga coffee, which looks really enjoyable. Prices are also pretty fine. A friend is chilling here drinking his tea like a king. And there you have a beautiful view on the Ganga. Hello.
Hello.
What do you think of the weather now? The weather is the best weather we could imagine. We wanted to go rafting, we wanted to go to the Beatles thing. But yeah, the weather, as you can see, didn't like our plan. So now we are sitting here and chilling at the hostel, in a very cool hostel. And yeah, enjoying the view. From a temple.
Yoga stuff and all. Who are interested in yoga,
Wow.
you directly come to Delhi and contact me.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I'll teach you some cool yoga.
I can also teach you some yoga.
No, you don't. You're a gym person and I'm the yoga person. Yeah, look at this flexibility, man. Look at this flexibility. Flexibility of fat.
India flexibility.
Yeah, man.
So we are searching for alcohol for this dude.
Yeah.
And let's see if we find the store. 300 meters left after the bridge.
All right.
So we found the alcohol shop.
And what do we got? We got some. Open.
Open. We were like driving roughly 4 kilometers or 3
and
kilometers
look at the
out
place.
of Rishikesh.
And look at the place.
Man! Yeah, man. Now he's happy. Now he's happy.
What do you got? We got Budweiser.
Look at this
Yeah,
place.
look at the place. It's a
There's
complete
nothing.
forest.
There's only forest, waterfall, water,
Yeah,
mountain.
there's a waterfall right over there. What do you got it? So tell me, ask me anything.
How do you open a beer bottle when you have 2 beer bottles?
Fuck, man. You're supposed to say it before I say. I'm asking, ask me, and then you're. All right.
Okay, how do you open a beer bottle?
This is how you do. You take it. You take your hand. You hold it. Come close. You hold it like this. The whole pressure goes to your thumb here. You just press it like this, and then
Wow.
it's
Bro.
open. Open the water bottle. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, it tastes so nice.